Running Jenkins container in Docker. Command docker run -name container name my Jenkins detached mode port mapping container port 8080 and host machine port 8888 and image name Jenkins/Jenkins. To see the running containers, docker container ls localhost Jenkins is getting ready to work. You can paste the Jenkins password. Go to the Jenkins interactive terminal and go to this location. You will get the password and paste the password here. Click continue and your Jenkins will start. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.